Hi there, my name is Gary Roman and I'm the National Sales Manager of Parts for Maxim Truck and Trailer. And today we're here to talk about Maxim's Shop Supply Program. At Maxim Truck and Trailer, we've helped our customers across the country with their heavy-duty parts needs, from the front of the truck to the back of the trailer. But what we haven't done is help our customers in the back end of their business, shop supplies, small maintenance parts, that type of thing. Today, we have a solution for you. When we're talking about shop supplies, we're not only talking about your everyday usage needs, things like bolts, fasteners, cutting discs. We're talking about oil spill cleanup, abrasives, chemicals, material handling equipment, shop supply tools, everything that will go into helping maintain your fleet, manage your repair shop, or gain efficiencies in your manufacturing environment. When I've toured shops across the country and we've talked to our customers about their shop supplies, the same problem always exists. You have multiple vendors supplying a whole whack of products. You can't control what your spend is. You have no visibility to your spend, and therefore you can't gain any efficiencies or understanding of your business. Maxim's Shop Supply Program allows you to have full visibility to what your shop supply spend is, not only from the onset of the program, but moving forward. In today's business environment, what's important? It's about understanding what your operational costs are and then using that information to make decisions that are improving the efficiency of your business. So with Maxim's Shop Supply Program, what we're going to do is take the time to learn and understand what your business needs are. We're going to agree on what that solution is, and then we're going to move forward to build it, install it, usually over a day or two. From there, it's all about operational support, allowing you to have the best product at the best value so you can understand what your spend is moving forward, again, with full visibility. If you're ready to learn about Maxim's Shop Supply Program, give me a call. My number and email is listed below, and we look forward to talking with you soon.